So hi friends, good morning to all of you. So this is your friend mentor Rishikesh Raju. So we are going to see opinion of the education system in India from Subbarao sir. So we will give opportunity to speak on education system. So Subbarao sir, we welcome you sir.
Yes, thank you viewers to all. Hope all are fine. Take care of your health and stay home. Okay, today, sir, as per the request of sir, I want to tell about the education system in India. Yes, education system in India. Education is necessary for all the people. Education is more significant approach for its economical development. Because of the education, we gain knowledge and respect in the society. If you are not educated, you can depend on other people each and every time at any situation. Nowadays, many nations are taking step to make their people educated. We can say that India is a well-developed country comparing to previous. In 1947, I think in 1947 we have 18 universities and 496 colleges is there. But now the situation is changed. We had 600 universities is there, 39 plus 1000 colleges is there. Even though we are facing many problems. What is the first problem I observed? Most of the syllabus is in theoretical form only. And second thing, I am studying in government schools up to my graduation. No proper teaching is done by teacher in government sector because of, I think, lack of resources. Okay, no proper teaching is done by the teacher in the government sector. How we will resolve these things? The Indian government will provide more facilities and quality education in government school. Then it will make more people to educate. Then automatically India will become a well-developed country. In Indian government introduced Indian government conducting many programs, but some of the institutions, some of the schools are not participated and not take seriously. If the Indian school will participate students interpersonal skill improvement, then they will be rise as a star. I think our government is conducting more program for improving the literacy rate. And now also we have more literacy state is there. That is the Bihar. And less literacy rate is there in Kerala. Thank you guys. వరకు నా మాటలు మొత్తం మీరు విన్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, లేకపోతే షేర్ చేయండి, అవసరమైతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So actually I thought to ask some questions sir.
Yeah, sure.
Can you answer?
Yeah, sure.
So from your description you told that Bihar is the highest literary state and Kerala is the highest literary state and
Yes.
Bihar is the low literacy state.
Yes sir.
So if you take engineering field sir, engineering education system.
Yeah.
So is government is taking any body to trying to cater the knowledge to the faculty of engineering?
Yes sir. Yes sir. Our AICT is conducting more program to more innovation programs is conducting for improving the literature rate.
And one more thing sir, is there any body which is going to rank the colleges and universities according to their functionalities?
Yes sir. According to the
Yeah, NIRF.
NIF, NIRF and NBA, NAC. Based on this, we will decide, okay, this institution is good or not. If the NIRF rank is good, okay, definitely that institution is excellent institution.
And one more question, sir. So, is there any difference between the credited institutions and non-credited institutions?
Graded institutions and non
Credited institutions and non-credited institutions.
all
Credited
NIT
means accredited institutions
accreditation and non-accredited. If the okay, and AICT accreditation, AICT not accreditation. You are asking question related to no? AICT accreditation means okay, these students is able to do job in any other countries also. Okay, now okay, those who are not studying under the AICT, okay, that peoples are not taking by other states, other countries, not accepting.
So, thank you.
Thank you.
Friends, చూస్తున్నారు కదా సో ది ఇండియన్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ స్టెప్స్ విచ్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ ది ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్. సో ఎర్లియర్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఇండిపెండెన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ less opportunities and government providing only less schemes. Now government is providing many opportunities for encouraging of the people and improving of the education system. So with the education system, anyone going to get respect in the society, and as well as their economical standard going to be improved. So thank you, friends. So this is one of the opinion on education system gathered from Subbarao sir. So thank you, friends. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon. So thank you, friends.